Frost-hidden Wookiees and Tauntauns, frost-covered alligators, and chilly flamingos. Time to wake up for the day. Right up like a tauntaun should. Uh-oh. C-3PO takes a while to get up because he's C-3PO. Oh, looks like these guys are on a different schedule. Here comes some of Christmas. Oh, Bluey, is it too early for you? Oh. Alrighty. There we go. Got some more friends coming. And look at this. Hey, Donald. Up on the rooftop. Wow. It's taking quite a while to stretch. But over here, we've got a dragon going straight up. Here he comes. The Grinch is full of hot air, so he takes a long time. But up here at the North Pole, Yukon and his friends are definitely getting there together. Charlie usually gets a little stuck. And here are our frosty animal friends, ready to celebrate. Oh no, another Christmas something. What happened to your friend? You got twisted. Twisted. Oh, look at that twist. Alright. Oh, where'd Snoopy go? Just a little. He's falling back a little bit. He might be heavy with ice. Here you go. Oh, welcome. Only a few more to go. Welcome, Mary and Jesus. Let's see if the soldiers get themselves together. They take a little while to come to command because they're all kind of attached and they're hard to get up. Come here, friend. Ugh. There you go. Come here, friend. Ugh. There. Oh, almost. There we go. Tension. And then back here, we have Mickey, our elf, and our bear. Still more to come. Wait. There's more. The angel is a what about these friends? Here comes the elves and the bows and the moose. All together now. Alright. Let's see if our rooftop friends are up yet. Here we go. Alright, Merry Christmas.